Hi everyone, we are Team India and I'd like to talk to you about our project HoloEscape. So how many of you know what an escape room is? Okay, quite a lot of you. Okay, so about 80% of you. So you'll know that an escape room is some physical adventure game which you play with your friends. The players are locked in a room and you have to solve a series of puzzles to escape within some time limit. So this is a really fun exercise for team building, for practicing problem-solving abilities, and not least just for a bit of fun. So here are some pictures of some escape rooms, and these look great, but you can see that there are some issues if you're looking to set up your own. For one, we have these heavy elements, these furniture elements, which might be difficult to lug around. And we also have these mechanical elements which might be tricky to build or hard to source. So what if we could solve both those problems whilst paving the way for more exciting and engaging gameplay mechanics? And that is where the Hololens comes in. So the Hololens is a Microsoft product. It's a headset that projects holograms onto the wearer's environment. It looks something like this. It's visible only to the wearer, but this gives you an idea of the sort of goal of the Hololens. So what have we built? Well, we've built a platform for creating and sharing holographic escape room puzzles containing original gameplay elements. So our goals for this were that these escape rooms should be portable, they should be interactive, and overall the platform should be extensible. So the way we've structured this, we start with a way for people to create new puzzle elements, which we call clues, and upload them to our system. And then we also have a way for moderators on the system to approve or reject clues to make them available to everyone. We then build on top of that this intuitive interface for constructing games from these puzzle elements. So this is an action and an event-based model and a click and drag interface, so you can produce complex levels in minutes. Then, of course, we have an app for the HoloLens, which loads these levels and shows them to the player, and they can interact with these elements. So how does this go towards achieving our goals for the project? So let's talk about portability. If we look back at that editor for a second, we see that we're not actually telling it where exactly to place these clues. We're telling it, okay, we want this one to be placed on a wall. We could say wall, we could say ceiling, we could say floor, and what we do then when we load the level is we scan the room, and using the capabilities of the HoloLens and the available APIs, we can recognize surfaces. So we can recognize that things are walls, we can recognize that they're floors, and we can place them appropriately. And then we can have all these clues placed appropriately, and the level is then portable. So you can put it in any space, and as long as you have enough space, you can load that level. What about interactivity? So of course these holographic elements are interactive, and we've also documented the process of creating these interactive elements for third-party developers to jump in on the fun. But we've also been very keen to maintain the physical aspect of escape room games. So we've designed our platform with those in mind. And we also have a live feed option for teammates to see what's going on in the holographic layer live. We're also thinking about extensibility. So this action and event-based system is very flexible. It allows you to create complex levels very quickly. But you can imagine extensions to this that would allow you, here you have properties, you can imagine more complex properties like images. And indeed, across the system, we have further developments in mind. For example, here you can see we're thinking about commercial possibilities. It would be very easy to create premium levels that you buy and play, or premium clues that you can use to build your own levels, or even licensing to game masters. So that is what we've built. Thanks very much to our client, William at INC, and thanks to you all for listening. Thanks.